be yours, your grandchildren's, or your children's. It all starts with a positive mindset. Anyway, the quiz question for this week is, what comes twice in a week but only once in a year? What comes twice in a week but only once in a year? Answers and prize winners will be announced at the end of the month. Keep in touch with us on our Facebook page, John on the Microphone, X at John_microphone, our YouTube channel, John on the Microphone. Let's grow together, vibe together. Enjoy the rest of your day. Signing out, your girl, Rediva the Queen.
Having hallucinations. I'm losing sleep every night. Yeah. Keep trying to cover my eyes. Yeah. Is it my imagination? I think I'm losing my mind. Yeah. Still see your face all the time. All the time. Try to rewind till we're back where we started. Yeah, that's all I want. And night after night after night, I'm still haunted. I'm haunted, baby. I'm haunted by you. You fall asleep and dream of you. You late at night, I scream for you. You waiting on a deja vu. But until then, I live with hallucinations. Yeah, they're just hallucinations. And now just hallucinate. 'Cause you're not here. Hallucination. Losing my concentration. Hearing your voice in my head. Seeing you when you want that. You want that. And I can't keep living like this, yeah. Something's gotta give me you, yeah. If I can make it all go away. Try to rewind till we're back where we started. Yeah, that's all I want. That's all I want. And night after night after night, I'm still haunted. I'm haunted, baby. I'm haunted by you. You fall asleep and dream of you. You late at night, I scream for you. You waiting on a deja vu. But until then, I live with hallucinations. Fall asleep and dream of you. You're just hallucination. Night I scream for you. You're just hallucinating. Waiting on a deja vu. 'Cause you know, hallucination.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
It's called Hallucinations by DVSN. But I'll tell you what, Rediva, you're not hallucinating at all because it is real. You are now in the top 20 on Classics 263 Top 20 coming up in a short while. So obviously, our fans out in Zimbabwe absolutely love you. Don't they just, Rediva? Oh, they will love you forever.
You're my sweetie, my sugar, my baby, my lover. So honey, let me hold you, let me love you forever. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Here's a story that I must tell. My woman lifted me from hell.
Saturday is fun on Saturday.
So it was Bunny Mac who echoes our sentiments here too. Let me love you forever.
It's said the strongest hearts have the most scars. So until next week, keep the love alive.
He's John the Boss.
And she's DJ Hotcut, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt.
And we've been on the case for the joy business.
To the Radio Commissioner General, we are much obliged.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
As usual, a rockin' show brought to you every Saturday by John the Boss on your favorite rockin' radio station. The playlist for today: Lay Me Down, Hot Chocolate, Only You Can Make Me Happy, Surface, I Just Want to Celebrate, Rare Earth, Sweet Love, Anita Baker, Kura Warne, Bongo Muffin, Exhale, the jazz version, Kirk Whalum, Shalama, I Can Make You Feel Good, Diamante, Randy Crawford and Zucchero, Visas de la Vida, Eros Ramazzotti and Tina Turner, A Little Bit More, Freddie Jackson and Melba Moore, Secret Lovers, Atlantic Star, Hallucinations, DVSN, and finally Bunny Mac, Let Me Love You Forever. Signing off once again, Otis the Flow. Make sure you lock in next week, same time, same place. Peace and love, and have a great one.
Sounds on Saturday is the place to be for fun on Saturdays. It's the soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives. Send them over via text or voice notes and automatically qualify for prizes galore, like airtime vouchers, food vouchers, celebrity autographed t-shirts and caps, cash prizes, bicycles. The list is endless. Listen out for details. Our updated WhatsApp details are: the local number is +263 719 498 651. That number again is +263 719 498 651. Our international number is +44 7751 022 922. That number again is +44 7751 022 922. Let's have some fun on Sounds on Saturday.